Most dealerships only do basic maintenance, but skipping these 5 things can slowly destroy your engine. The dealership has a vested interest in 2 things: you bringing it back for repairs and a little bit of maintenance just to get you by until, or they want to sell you a new car. Say, hey, I got the keys to your new car. Let's get you into finance. Well, the solution is you want to go beyond the basic maintenance. When you take your vehicle to the dealer, you think you're getting it all taken care of, but you're not. They're only doing the very minimum just to get you by. But now I'm going to tell you the solution on these 5 things to get your vehicle running better than brand new. The first thing, that's the throttle body cleaning. All different vehicles have different ways to clean them. On most direct injection and carbureted, you can actually use an AMSOIL product called Power Foam. Sprayed in the intake, cleans the tops of the pistons, the valves, all inside your motor. The dealer rarely will ever tell you about this. Even if you have a direct injection vehicle, there's also another product that's made by CRC, direct injection turbo cleaner. Most vehicles nowadays that are direct injection are also turbo, so that product will help you with that. Number 2, fuel system cleaner. Most people don't realize that the gas you run doesn't clean your fuel system, it maintains it a little. The secret, how to get that to do, is using a fuel system cleaner like AMSOIL. They make a PI performance improver. It's a proprietary fuel system cleaner, super heavy detergents. That's going to clean your valves on your exhaust valves, your injectors, and carbon deposits inside the combustion chamber. You're going to have more fuel efficiency, more power, a smoother, cleaner running vehicle, and well, you're going to keep your catalytic converter from getting all clogged up with all that paste and unburnt fuel. What's that going to do? It's going to get your car to last longer, less expense, less downtime. There's a frequent myth that people talk about a lot. Is it real? Is it true? We'll never know, but you'll hear a lot of people talk about lifetime fluid. Hey, don't touch that transmission. That's designed for the life of your vehicle. You don't need to change the fluid or service it. It's perfect just the way it is. Yes, it's perfect to get you out of warranty, and then so you do want to change the fluid on those transmissions that are called lifetime fluid. You do have to service them, especially if you want your vehicle to run correctly. Also, the dealer can also void the warranty on it, and they can also tell you they're not going to change it because your vehicle still runs. So even if your car goes like a choo-choo train, like this, and it makes that rumbling, they say, hey, this is normal in that car. Your car still runs fine. It gets you A to B. No need to service that transmission yet. So basically, you're driving a car that's getting 5 miles a gallon less than it should. Thing barely shifts out of gears. It clunks and rattles, but they say, hey, your car still runs. So that's what you'll find most frequently with a lifetime fluid, is they want you to purposely wreck your transmission. So you go back to buy a new transmission, get the component replaced, or they want you to buy a brand new car. Number 3, transmission fluid service. What is that? Most vehicles, it can be as simple as a drain and fill. You drain a little bit of oil out, which is basically a continuously variable transmission fluid or oil. Kind of looks like oil, they call it fluid, and that comes out, and then you clean a little magnet, something you can do yourself at home, very simple, basic hand tools, especially on a Honda. The other one, transmission service, is taking the pan down, bunch of little screws, you take down a gasket. This is going to be more at about 5 out of 10 of skill level. It's going to be a little harder. You're going to take that down, you're going to change out the transmission filter, you're going to put a new filter back on, put a new fresh gasket on, or if you have a reusable gasket, put those bolts back on, then you fill the transmission to the proper level. Number 4, differential fluid, or you can call it gear oil. This basically lubricates these rear gears that are in the rear of a vehicle. Some vehicles even have front wheel drive, so they have that gear oil, gear lubricant as well, gear fluid. And what that does is it keeps it running smoothly, puts a film between the gears. So this can wear out your engine by putting extra drag on your motor, overheating it by not changing it on time. Also, it'll keep your car running way smoother in the cold. There's many other benefits, but it has to be changed. Most vehicles going to be between 30 to 60,000 miles of city driving. Some vehicles can go out further with the larger differential, like trucks and stuff like that. If they're not under severe service, they can go as far as 5 years or 100,000 miles on one gear fluid change, gear oil change. Number 5, high quality motor oil and filtration. What is that? All different levels of lubricants you can buy for your motor. From mineral oil, that's basically conventional motor oil. Then you have synthetic blend. They can call that, here in the United States, synthetic blend when it's about 1 to 15% synthetic. They can actually label it that when it's in that range. And then we got full synthetic. Really weird, they can call that full synthetic when the base stock, that's the base oils, are 25% synthetic or more. So when you buy the motor oil that you think you're buying, it may not be quite what you thought. And so you say, well, how do I find something that's better? Well, you can do a lot more research online. You can also just take it from me. I'm here for you as your oil lube specialist. You can buy AMSOIL 100% synthetic signature series. That's what I personally run in my car. It's what I recommend to my customers because it's what I would use. And what that's going to do is that's going to protect your engine, keep it clean. Your catalytic converter is going to last longer. You're going to be able to go further per oil change. The other great benefit is AMSOIL also makes a high quality oil filter. So there's different levels of oil filters like there is oil. There's cellulose paper filters. That's like an OEM kind of Toyota style filter. It's made out of like a paper. And then there's some synthetic medias and hybrids, and then really high-end synthetic media. AMSOIL makes that higher quality filtration. What's that do? It's going to grab all those carbon particles that are floating around in your oil, because carbon's stronger than steel. And so instead of it wearing out your metal on your pistons and your camshafts, you're going to have it out of the oil in the filter where it belongs, not wearing out your motor. And you're not going to burn as much oil when you run a higher quality oil. If you've been adding all this oil to your car and you go, man, why the heck is my car eating all this oil? It's not leaking on the ground, but it just keeps eating it like a Pac-Man, eating all that motor oil. How are you going to get rid of that? By running a higher quality oil and filter. Advanced maintenance will easily get your vehicle to 300,000 miles. And how is that? That's the systematic process of taking care of your vehicle over those mileages. Each interval, you do the right thing. When you do that, your car will take great care of you, and you'll have the satisfaction, the peace of mind. You can go anywhere you want, whenever you want to. You can literally call me on my cell phone, and you can also leave a comment down below on your specific vehicle, on that specific model. I will answer your question. Thanks for watching. I'm here to provide you information that the dealership won't. Definitely subscribe with the notification bell on, and we'll see you on the next one.